Oh my, rock bottom. First of all, my beloved subscriber, uh, I'd like to pray for you. Dear Lord, please bless this subscriber. He's saying that he is at rock bottom right now. Uh, Honestly, we don't know what to do in this kind of situation, Lord. Uh, the best solution definitely is to reach out to you because you told us that when the burden is too much, just lift up our heart, reach out to you, and you will give us rest. So I pray that this subscriber who's asking this question will be able to get the wisdom directly coming from you. But nevertheless, I'd like to give my insight on this one. So when you say rock bottom, probably you, to say the least, you lost everything. This reminds me of the story of Job when this kind of circumstances uh, happened to him. Job lost everything, but one thing that he did, he continued the faith, continued to trust God. And lo and behold, once everything has been learned, all the lesson from this event has been learned, God gave back all those that Job lost, and God gave even more. This is really tough. On the practical side of things, again, having that mindset of a CEO or the billionaire's mindset, when these things happen, sometimes people tend to worry. But nevertheless, let's say if it's a financial issue, again, I'll be a little bit technical here. Look at this as if you are looking at the P&L. I'll go layman here. So definitely, if someone is on a financial challenge or crisis, definitely you can tap on your skill, uh, reach out to people, and probably you can identify opportunities. This is where it is really important that you mobilize your network. Again, worrying will not do any good. So to speak, clean up the mess, get up early, remove some of the thought that you have on the issue. If you can, exercise, eat well, try to smile and laugh. Practice compassion, definitely pray to God. This way, you can establish a clear thought or a thinking process will happen that will trigger some opportunities, potential opportunities that someone who is at rock bottom can do. It is really very important that we establish this on the get-go. For those people who are not at rock bottom, it is really important that we prepare, not visualizing a bad scenario, but prepare ourselves to become better each day. Again, you can do that by exercising, learning new skills, take your time, get a mentor, so that when circumstances happen, when you are in uncharted territory, so to speak, at least you will be guided by your new learnings. So definitely, uh, bottom line here is Try to calm yourself. Worry will not do any good. Get a mentor. Discuss the problem in specific terms. Don't worry too much. Try to put some logic into this. Maybe you can write down all the things that are happening that is in your favor, and then list down the things that need improvement. And day by day, do things that can get you closer to your goal. If it's emotional, definitely praying, meditating, exercising will improve the situation. Again, I'm not feigning knowledge on this because I do encounter this again and again in my life. But most importantly, it is really a grace from God that we have a God who is directing our life. And I know that when these things happen to me, speaking for myself, I am being taught a certain lesson that I can use in the next chapters of my life. So again, to end, I'd like to really focus on praying for you. Dear Lord, there are people who are suffering right now. Maybe they do not have an income. Maybe they worry about their health. They worry about relatives who are struggling. They really don't know what to do right now, dear Lord. Please send your angels and give them comfort. They really need it, Lord. You taught us this prayer, give us our daily bread. We are asking, Lord, to give us our daily bread. Let this chalice pass away, but not my will, but yours be done. We trust you, Lord. Amen.